The first step, my friends, is research. You need to find universities and programs in it that align well with your interests, as that will lay a foundation based on which all the next steps would depend for you. And websites like DTAD, Hochschule Campus, and individual university websites are a great resource to start with. Make sure to check the eligibility criteria, application deadlines, and tuition fees if applicable. I have also created a free Excel sheet template for you to shortlist German universities efficiently. I will leave a link in the description in case you want to check it out. And some universities in Germany require VPD, which is nothing but preliminary research documentation. It basically serves as a pre-check for your qualifications whether they meet the requirements for studying in Germany or not. You can read more about it on DTAD's website in case that is applicable for any of you. The next step is to review your application requirements. German universities usually require academic transcripts, CV, statement of purpose SOPs, or letter of motivation, letters of recommendation LORs, proof of language proficiency like IELTS, TOEFL, TestF, or any other requirement that is mentioned on the website. Universities may also ask for APS depending on your country or region. Not to mention, I have already covered all these topics in detail, providing you with free questionnaires and templates. So in case you missed any of my previous videos, then I highly recommend you to check it out. Now here's where it gets interesting. There are two common ways to apply to German universities. One is via UniAssist and the other is directly to the university through its website. Know that the UniAssist is a centralized platform or a portal that processes your documents to most of the German universities here. Although some universities may not be listed on UniAssist or your program may not be visible over there, in that scenario, you must go through the official university's website to check for the essential details. If your university uses UniAssist, then you, my friend, need to create an account, fill in your details and upload scanned documents. But be mindful that you also need to pay a processing fee. For first time check and document evaluation, you need to pay up to 75 euros, I believe. After which the UniAssist will go through your application and forward the documents to the university to check whether you meet the criteria or not. Also remember that processing may take up to a few weeks, so apply early. And remember that every application you make via UniAssist will nearly cost you about 30 euros, so make sure you choose the universities wisely. For direct applications, you need to visit the university's website, register on their application portal, and then follow along the instructions. Some universities might require you to send the documents by post, while others may accept online submission. So it is always better to check, or I would say double check the deadlines to avoid last minute stress. And please don't make the mistake of sending your original documents, as a lot of people run into trouble because of that. Submit only certified copies. Most of the public universities in Germany have low or no tuition fees at all, but some charge processing fees for applications. So once you have submitted your documents and have processed the application, make sure you track the application status regularly through UniAssist or the university's portal. Keep in mind that some universities can cover the application charges, so it is always advisable to reach out to the university and know about it. And in case you get an admission letter, then congratulations, my friend. Your next steps must include arranging finances, applying for student visa, finding an accommodation, and preparing for your next move to Germany. Stay tuned as my upcoming videos will cover all these topics in detail too. I hope this video has helped you a bit. Make sure to check out my Studying in Germany playlist where you will find more such content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.